This week on What's in the Warehouse, we've got the Michelin Anakee Wild. The Michelin Anakee Wild is a 50/50 adventure tire inspired by the Michelin Dakar-winning Desert Race design. It features offset blocks and curved grooves to boost off-road grip in soft and challenging conditions, and its casing ensures on-road stability. You'll notice this tire has no center rip, which allows for better bite off-road, but it is known to be a noisier tire on-road. What's your favorite 50/50 tire? Tell us in the comments below.